for science.
T is for technology.
E is for engineering.
A is for art.
M is for mathematics.
Why does Yorko School love STEAM?
I like STEAM because it reminds you to have more open ideas.
I like STEAM because I like to go in Tinkercad to 3D prints.
I like STEAM because we get to use different robots.
As a teacher, I love STEAM because it gets students collaborating together, working on a challenge in a hands-on way.
STEAM is important to me because I think it teaches real-world skills, and real jobs in the world do include group work, ideation processes, and getting to work together with others. I also think that STEAM is important because as a homeroom teacher, in our STEAM classes, we get to see kids shine in different ways and use different skills that we haven't seen before.
I love STEAM because I like to build new things in it. I like STEAM because I like to use new tools.
STEAM is such a big part of our school. I love walking through the hallways and seeing all the innovative projects.
I like STEAM because you get to build cool things, and STEAM is kind of like art, and it's really fun, and it's one of my favorite subjects, and it's kind of like science, but it's STEAM. I like STEAM because it's a mix of two of my favorite subjects, art and science, and it still has a little bit of math in it, and that's why I like STEAM.
I like STEAM as a teacher because I think it allows students to explore their original ideas.
I like STEAM because we get to make projects and use some tools to make spaceship and other experiments.
STEAM because I love seeing the students combine their creativity with science, and I always think I know what they're going to be doing, but they always surprise me.
What do you love about STEAM?